मैम पेज नंबर 5 फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ।
Okay. Divyansh Maheshwari. Yes, children, which para?
मैम फर्स्ट
Ma'am, page number
माय
5.
कजन मुराद।
The sun.
The sun was coming up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Put the date. Which page number?
Ma'am, 5.
Page number
मैम
5.
पेज नंबर
Page
5।
number 5 and para.
मैम द सन वाज कमिंग अप फर्स्ट।
Paragraph. First, second, third.
Second paragraph.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Put
second
the,
paragraph.
okay, fine. Put the date. Now see, Murad, you know, he started riding the horse all alone, and then this boy Murad, you know, he raised the horse across a field of dry grass, irrigation ditches. The horse crossed, and when they arrived 5 minutes later, they were wet, all dripping. Now the sun was coming up, means the sun was rising, and now it's my turn to ride, I said. As the sun was rising, as it was getting brighter and brighter, Aram, he says, now it is my turn to ride all alone. My cousin Murad got off the horse. Ride, he said. Cousin Murad jo tha, wo horse se utar gaya, and he said, okay, fine, ride. I leaped to the back of the horse and for a moment knew the most awful fear imaginable. Okay, he says, I jumped on the horse, and for a moment, you know, I just imagined the awful fear. The horse did not move. Okay, I sat on the horse. Somewhat feared I was. The horse, it did not move. Kick into his muscles, my cousin Murad said. What are you waiting for? We have got to take him back before everybody in the world is up and about. Cousin Murad kehte, come on, kick the horse. Okay, hurry up. What are you waiting for? Before everybody, you know, in the world is up, means awakened. है ना, सब जागे उससे पहले we have to take back the horse and hide it. I kicked into the muscles of the horse. Once again, it reared and snorted, and then it began to run. Okay, वापस से उसने rearing और snorting करी, and it began to run very fast. I didn't know what to do. अब ये छोटा बच्चा, he was hardly 9 years old, and he did not know what to do with the horse. Instead of running across the field to the irrigation ditch, the horse ran down the road to the vineyard of Dickon Halabian, who was a farmer, where it began to leap over vines. अब क्या हुआ? अब he did not know very well how to ride the horse and how to control it. तो वो कहता है कि instead of running across the field, the horse did not run across the field, और field cross करता हुआ, it did not go to the irrigation ditches as when Murad, when he was riding, ना, उस समय the horse went. तो जो horse था, it ran down the road to the vineyard. Okay, so instead of running across the field and the irrigation ditches, it came on the road, and from there it moved towards the vineyard of Dickon Halabian. एक फार्मर थे, तो उनका पूरा vineyard था, है ना, पूरी grapes की वाइन्स वगैरह बेलें लगी हुई थी, वहां पर वो गया, and it started leaping, means jumping over vines. वो जो बेल लगी हुई थी, creepers वगैरह थी grapes की, उसके ऊपर it started jumping. The horse leaped over 7 vines before I fell. Then it continued running. Okay, और फिर वो कहता है कम से कम 7 grape vines जो लगी हुई थी, it leaped over them, and when it leaped over those vines, you know, I fell down on the ground. Okay, and then the horse, it ran away. मुझे गिरा दिया, and it ran away. My cousin Murad came running down the road. I am not worried about you, he shouted. We have got to get that horse. You go this way and I'll go this way. If you come upon him, be kindly, I will be near. Ab my cousin Murad जो कहता है, वो Aram कहता है, you know, my cousin Murad, he came running down the road, फटाफट भागता हुआ आया और कहता है, listen, I am not worried about you, I am very much worried about the horse, है ना. Anyhow, we have to get that horse. किसी तरह, है ना, हमें उसे पकड़ना है. You better go this way, और उसको डायरेक्ट करता है एरन को you better go, he should go this way and Murad will go that way, and they are going to get the horse anyhow. And if you come across the horse, kehta hai, if Aram he finds the horse, so he just instruct him to be very kindly to the horse, okay, not to beat him or not to scold him. समझ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so they
Yes,
both
ma'am.
went different ways to find the horse. Now I continued down the road and my cousin Murad went across the field towards the irrigation ditch. कहता है, I just continued, okay, across the road, right? And जो Murad था, he went to the irrigation ditches, to the field, you know, to find the horse. It took him half an hour to find the horse and bring him back. Now, it took half an hour, 30 minutes for Murad to find the horse. He found the horse and brought the horse back. All right, he said, jump on, the whole world is awake now. और फिर आकर उसको direction देता है कि come on now, sit on the horse. The whole world is awake. यानी it was already sunrise and the people, you know, they all were awake and लोग जाग चुके थे. What will we do? I said. अब Aram ने कहा, what are we going to do now with this horse? Well, he said, we will either take him back or hide him until tomorrow morning. Okay? या तो हम इसको लौटा देंगे और या फिर we are going to hide the horse until tomorrow morning, है ना? Until the next day morning तक we are going to hide the horse, or we will just put him back from where we brought. He didn't sound worried and I knew he would hide him and not take him back. अब एरम जो था वो समझ गया, उसकी आवाज जो थी किसकी, मुराद की. ओके, इट वाज नॉट अ वरिड वॉइस, है ना, कोई चिंता उसको नहीं थी. तो एरम कॉन्फिडेंट था कि ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू रिटर्न द हॉर्स on any condition. Okay, he will not get him back there. Okay, he will not put the horse, okay, from where he got. Instead, he is going to hide the horse. Okay, not for a while, at any rate, he says. Where will we hide him? I said. Now Aram, he wants to know. He inquires, where are they going to hide the horse? I know a place, he said. Murad कहता है, भाई, I know a place means he might have been hiding the horse. How long ago did you steal this horse? I said. Now Aram, you know, very inquisitive he was. बड़ा inquisitive होता, he wanted to know. और कहता है कि कितना समय हो गया did you hide this horse? Okay, sorry, did you steal this horse? It suddenly dawned on me that he had been taking these early morning rides for some time and had come for me this morning only because he knew how much I longed to ride. Okay, now suddenly it appears to this little boy he had been riding this horse from a long time. Okay, काफी समय से he had been riding this horse, and only this morning he came to Aram. Why? Because even he came to know that even Aram, you know, he had a very deep desire, a longing for the horse riding. Who said anything about stealing a horse? He said. तुम्हें किसने कहा that I stole the horse? Anyhow, I said, how long ago did you begin riding every morning? Okay, Aram, he changes his question and he says, अच्छा अच्छा fine, है ना, कितना समय हो गया you have been riding every morning? Not until this morning. Okay, only this morning. Okay, not more than that. Are you telling the truth? Now Aram was doubtful. जब वो कहता है नहीं ज़्यादा समय नहीं हुआ, only this morning I got the horse. So Aram was doubtful and he says, अच्छा, are you telling the truth? Of course not, he said, but if we have found out, that's what you are to say. So I accept करता, no, I am not telling the truth, but suppose if we are to find out, okay? Suppose if we are being caught with the horse, यदि हम पकड़े गए, you have to give this reason कि only this morning, you know, we had the horse and we started riding. I don't want both of us to be liars. All you know is that we started riding this morning. और मैं नहीं चाहता कि हम दोनों ही liars है ना, हम दोनों ही liars हो. Liars is one who tells lies. बस तुम्हें इतना मालूम होना चाहिए कि we started riding the horse this morning. All right, I said. Then he walked the horse quietly to the barn of a deserted vineyard, which at one time had been the pride of a farmer named Fedwagen, there were some oats and dry alfalfa in the burn. Burn होता है ना बड़ा सा गोडाउन टाइप है ना जहाँ पर ये बड़ा डेजर्टेड विनेयार्ड था ठीक है जहाँ कभी ग्रेप वाइन्स वगैरह बहुत ग्रो करती थी और बहुत प्राइड था है ना एक फार्मर का ये बर्न यार्ड जो था एक फार्मर का था फेडवेजिन फार्मर था उसका था ये सो it says that he says that there you know Murad he takes the horse okay and there he hides it और कुछ oats उगे हुए थे dry alfalfa एक plant होता है that gives flowers we began walking home okay they all started began walking home it wasn't easy he said to get the horse to behave so nicely और फिर वहां पर hide करके when they were returning Murad कहता है it is not a easy thing okay to make the horse behave in a very gentle manner. At first it wanted to run wild, but as I have told you, I have a way with the horse. I can get it to want to do anything I wanted to do. Horses understand me. अब मुराद कहता है कि you know he always had a way means I told you he had a understanding with the horse. और वो कहता है भाई शुरू में तो the horse you know it was very wild, but anyhow I just changed the horse and why because the horses understand me a lot and I have got lot of understanding with the horses and I can just make them do whatever I want to. Why? Because horses they understand me a lot. Are you getting it better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you do it? अब little Aram he asked, भाई ये सब कैसे करते हो आप? How do you have an understanding with that? I have an understanding with the horse, he said. Yes, but what sort of an understanding? I said. लेकिन कैसी understanding है तुम्हारे पास? A simple and honest one. मुराद कहता है बड़ी simple और honest understanding है. Well, I said, I wish I knew how to reach an understanding like that with the horse. अब little Aram, you know, वो भी कहता है, I wish even I might have an understanding with the horse. मेरी ही ऐसी कोई understanding हो अच्छी chemistry हो with the horse. You are still a small boy, he said. When you get to be 13, you will know how to do it. Okay, now he's 13 years old and he thinks that he is quite big. Okay, तो उसको एरम को कहता है अरे अभी तो you are a small boy, you know. When you will be as old as I am, 13 years old, then you are going to have a good understanding. Okay. And then I went home, Adam, he goes home and he had a very hearty breakfast. That afternoon, my uncle Khusro came to our house for coffee and cigarette. Who was Uncle Khusro considered as? He was considered as one of the craziest freak in the Armenian tribe. Okay. So now he came to the house, to Adam's house, and for coffee and cigarette. He sat in the parlor. Parlors are not what beauty parlors नहीं है. जो sitting rooms होते हैं ना, sitting space वो होते हैं parlor. Sipping and smoking and remembering the old country. Okay, he was sipping the coffee, smoking the cigarette, and he was remembering the old country. Right? अपने पुराने दिन पुराने country को याद कर रहे थे. Then another visitor arrived, a farmer named John Byro. Underline it. And Azarian means Azaria का था country का. Who out of loneliness had learned to speak Armenian. अब उसी समय एक और visitor हमारे घर आता है. Aram says, and he was who? John Byro. He belonged to Azaria, but he had learned to speak Armenian language. Why? Because so that he might not face any isolation or loneliness. है ना? He might not feel any loneliness. अकेलापन नहीं लगे तो वहाँ की local language उसने सीख ली. My mother brought the lonely visitor coffee and tobacco, and he rolled a cigarette and sipped and smoked, and then at last, sighing sadly, he said, okay, now Adam's mother, she brought coffee, she brought cigarette, and while sipping and smoking, you know, this farmer, John Byro, he takes a long breath and he starts speaking. He was somewhat very sad, okay. What he says, see, my white horse, which was stolen last month, is still gone. I cannot understand it. Got it? Since when Murad is having the horse? Since when?
From a month.
last month.
Since yes, the last month से उसके पास horse था, उसने एरम को भी नहीं बताया, एरम ने सुन लिया. I cannot understand. I don't understand where it has come. My uncle Khusro became very irritated and shouted, "It's no harm. What is the loss of a horse?" Uncle Khusro जो थे वो irritated हो गए और चिल्लाने लगे और कहते हैं कि it's no harm. You know what is the loss of a horse? Haven't we all lost the homeland? What is this crying over a horse? I told you na, he was one of the craziest person. Okay, बिना मतलब ही चिल्लाना, बिना मतलब ही बोलना होता था उनको, right, without any reason. क्रेजी जो होते हैं ना सन की, उन्हें अपनी टांग अड़ाना होता ही है, टांग अड़ाते ही हैं हर बात में. They try to poke their nose, you know, they try to interfere in every matter. So even he started shouting, "Yo, it's no harm, and what is the loss of a horse? We have all lost our homeland. Why do you cry over a horse?" That may be all right for you, a city dweller, to say, John Byro said, but what of my Shuri? Okay. What good is a Shuri without a horse? अब वो कहता है कि that may be all right, you know, for you, one who lives in a city. I live where in a countryside. I need a horse, and my Shuri is useless without a horse. So when he says my Shuri is useless without a horse, बिना horse के मेरी उस गाड़ी का भी कोई मतलब नहीं, horse cart बन नहीं सकता, ये सब, तो pay no attention to it, my uncle Khusro roared. Now Uncle Khusro, he starts shouting and he says, don't pay any attention to it. अब वो बेचारा जॉन बायरो कहता है, I walked 10 miles to get here, John Byro. You know, I just walked 10 miles. You have legs, my uncle Khusro shouted. कहते हैं कोई बात नहीं, if you walk, you have legs. My left leg pains, the farmer said. A farmer कहता है, you know, how can I walk? How can I walk such a long distance? You know, my left leg, it pains. Pay no attention to it, my uncle Khusro said. Uncle Khusro, he was having only this sentence every time, and for every reason he used to say this. Pay no attention to it. Uncle Khusro कहते हैं, that horse cost me $60, the farmer said. अरे, how can I pay no attention to it? वो कहना चाहता है. Okay, it cost me $60 का था. I spit on money, my uncle Khusro said. Okay, अब अंकल खुसरो को बड़ा गुस्सा आ गया, कहता है, I spit on money, थूकता हूँ मैं मनी पे. And he got up and he just walked out of the door, house slamming the screen. Okay, अब इतना गुस्सा आया कि उठ के चले गए, दरवाजे को बहुत जोर से वो बंद कर देते हैं. My mother explained. अब मदर जो है वो कन्विंस कर रही है जॉन बायरो को. He has a gentle heart. She said it is simply that he is homesick and such a large man. Okay, कहते हैं कुछ नहीं, because of his huge heavy body he is frustrated and all. वैसे तो he is kind hearted and you know he is homesick. You know he feels homesick because as we have lost our old country, you know, our old homeland, that is why he feels very much homesick. और उसको समझाती है, don't worry, he is a good man. Okay, he doesn't mean to say anything bad. The farmer went away and I ran over to my cousin Murad's house. अब जैसे ही farmer गया, you know, Adam, you know, he couldn't digest that Murad, you know, he had the horse for the last 1 month. He had been having the horse. So he ran there to the Murad's house. He was sitting under a peach tree के नीचे बैठा हुआ था, and he was trying to repair the hurt wing of a young robin. Robin is a small bird, okay, which could not fly, okay. So he was giving the medical aid, you know, he was taking care. Okay, some medical treatment he was giving to the wing of a young robin who got hurt. He was talking to the bird. What is it? He said. और फिर काम करते करते उस bird को है ना ये first aid दे रहा था, उसकी wing hurt हो गई थी, उससे बात कर रहा था. जैसे ही एरम को देखते, what is it? The farmer John Byro, I said, he visited our house. He wants his horse. You have had it a month. I want you to promise not to take it back until I learn to ride. अब वो कहता है, you know, farmer John Byro. Okay, he visited our house. उसने हमारे house को visit करा. He wants his horse. उसको अपना horse चाहिए. You have had it a month. For a month you are having the horse, and I want you to promise not to take it back. But now he's very much worried, and he says, but I promise that I want you to promise me that you are not going to take it back until and unless even I have learned riding. Clear? जब तक मैंने राइडिंग नहीं सीख ली, मैं राइडिंग ना सीख लूं, इस हॉर्स को नहीं लौटाना. Okay? Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Fine, up till here it's 10 o'clock, beta. We'll continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll continue. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.